Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix "we can't accept online orders right now" error on Wix Studio. So, if you're seeing the message "we cannot accept online orders right now" on your Wix Studio website, don't panic. In this video I will show you step by step how to fix it so you can start accepting orders again quickly. So first, make sure that your payment methods are properly set up. Go to your Wix dashboard, click accept payments under your site settings. So you'll have to just navigate to any of the site that you want to edit. For example, I will choose select and edit site, and it is going to take me to this page where I will have to click on the getting paid button. Now, I'll have to just confirm that I have connected a payment provider like Wix Payments, PayPal or Stripe. If not, I'll have to connect a payment provider and complete the setup. Now, if you're using Wix Payments, you'll have to go to Wix Payments section, make sure that your account is verified, and you may need to submit business or identity documents. If verification is pending, you won't be able to accept orders. Next, ensure that your store is fully set up. So in your dashboard, you'll have to click on Store Products, Settings and General, and make sure that your store is live and not set to pause or maintenance mode. Check your shipping and tax settings too, because missing setup steps can block orders. Now, sometimes the error is related to product themselves. Make sure that each product you are selling is in stock, set to visible, and has a price entered. Double check that the product are available for regions you ship to. Now finally, run a test checkout. So this is the preview mode. You can use it and try adding a product to the cart and proceed to checkout. If you still see the error, Wix may be blocking orders due to an unresolved settings, so you'll have to review all setup steps again or contact Wix support. And that's it. By checking your payment settings, store setup, and product details, you can easily fix the "we cannot accept online orders" error on Wix Studio. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.